Bravo Antonov 306 Foxtrot, good afternoon. Flight level 70 inbound Bestie and we check information Delta and speed 270 knots.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot Eindhoven approach identified. Good evening sir, continue inbound Bestie. And Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, right center heading 180 now, cleared for the ILS runway 21.
Right heading 180 and cleared ILS 21, 306 Foxtrot.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, reduce final speed please.
We will reduce 306 Foxtrot.
Good copy. Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, here's the POB.
POB 19er.
19er copy, thank you. Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, can contact tower 131005.
131005, 306 Foxtrot, bye-bye. Tower Antonov 306 Fox, good evening. Continue left to 1.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, continue approach.
Continue approach 306 Fox.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, the service wind 290 degrees, 10 knots, maximum is 17, cleared land, runway 21.
Calculate to land, runway 21, Antonov 306 Fox.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, continue to the end, at the far end, to the right, then right again.
Then to the right and then to the right, 306 Fox.
Alpha Delta Bravo 306 Foxtrot, contact Eindhoven ground on 121.903, bye bye.
121.903, 306 Fox, bye-bye.